everyone, today we are going to make the project Happy Birthday Tune. For that we require Arduino Uno, piezo buzzer, breadboard, USB cable and some jumper wire. So this is the piezo buzzer. Here the long leg is the positive and the short leg is the negative. Now first we will place the buzzer on the breadboard. Connect the positive of the buzzer to pin 7 of the Arduino. And the negative of the buzzer to the ground of the Arduino. Our assembly is completed. Now we will upload the code.
Coding for the Happy Birthday Tune. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. So here first we have created a variable speaker pin for the buzzer. Then we have created a variable length for the number of notes, and then notes, bits and tempo to give the time delay between the notes. Now we have created a function play note with the data, tone and duration. So here we have given a for loop for long I equal to 0, I less than duration into 1000 L. This will increase the duration, and then I plus equal to tone into 2. That means I will increase in each loop with the value tone into 2. Tone is a function used in Arduino to generate waves. Now for this duration, the speaker will be high for a particular tone and low for a particular tone. So this function will help to play the Happy Birthday tune. Now we have created another variable play note where we have taken the data, note and duration. Here we have first created a variable names where we have stored some letters or characters. Then we have created another variable tones where we have some stored some tones value, and then another variable SPEE and given value 5. Now to play the tone corresponding to the notes, we have given a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than 17, I plus plus. We have given a if condition if name I is equal to note. That means if the note is corresponding to the tone, then we have given int new duration by SPE which is 5. So and play note tone I by new duration. So with this help of new if condition, the tone will play for a particular note. Now we have given a void setup in which we have declared the buzzer as output. Now in the void loop, we have used the for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than length I plus plus. Length is the variable we have created for the number of notes, that is for each note. If note is equal to blank, that means it will give a delay between the note, else it will play the note. So in this void loop, we have created a for loop to play the tone for each note. Now we have given a delay of tempo which is 200 to give delay between the notes. So this is the code. Now click on tools, click on board, select the Arduino Uno as the board and the required code, and click on upload to upload the code to the Arduino. Thank you.
Output of the Happy Birthday tune. So now we will power our Arduino and the Happy Birthday tune will play. Thank you.